What if Amazon handled all your TikTok shipping? Well, they can, and I'm going to be showing you how to do it in today's video. So you just need a TikTok account and you need an Amazon account. So you can see on TikTok right here, we're on TikTok Seller Center. And what you want to do is set up a product on TikTok Seller Center. And you want to go to Amazon and make sure that you have FBA inventory, right? So what you're going to do is just recreate the product that's on Amazon with the same SKU, get the same SKU as this Amazon product, and then you're going to recreate it on TikTok. So recreate it, make sure it has the same seller SKU, right? And have that all set up. Okay. So again, easy enough, recreate the product from Amazon FBA into TikTok. Once you do that, you're simply going to have a connection set up. You're going to type in map my channel, click on the first link. Once you're here, top right corner, click log in. And there's going to be a sign up button. Once you sign up, it's going to look like this. You're going to connect your TikTok account. Then number 2 is you're going to connect your Amazon account. Once that's connected, your Amazon MCF, once that's fully connected, then what's going to happen is if somebody places an order on TikTok, Amazon automatically gets notified and they just connect the SKUs. So as long as the SKUs are the same on Amazon and on TikTok, then Amazon will automatically ship it to the customer and put the tracking in, which is phenomenal. You can see right here, we can look at orders. We just recently got an order. It'll have the order ID. This is the actual app once you're logged in. So somebody placed an order on TikTok, and then you can see view on TikTok, view on Amazon. It was accepted on Amazon, and now Amazon is going to ship the product directly to the TikTok customer. Now, not only that, Amazon's going to be shipping it in a blank box. You can go to integration, you can click edit, and then you can have Amazon ship it in a blank box. So that way it doesn't look like it's coming from Amazon, which is phenomenal, right? You can also sync the orders, the inventory, the tracking. If you want TikTok and Amazon to have the same price, you can sync the price as well and change the shipping speed. The mapping is going to be your shipping speed if you want to change the shipping speed, but Amazon shipping speed is usually pretty different or good. So I just leave it as is. You can also check the plans. Right now, there is a free plan, so you can just use the free plan for this. And if you want to upgrade, you can. So this connection is pretty much free. If you run into issues, you can click on support, and then you can actually have a call with them right away. I don't have an affiliate link because this is like free to start, which is pretty awesome. But the other thing I wanted to share with you is you do need to go into shipping settings before you're done with this. So go to shipping settings into TikTok. And then you're going to make sure you go to delivery settings, make sure it's seller shipping. It shouldn't be TikTok shipping. It shouldn't be fulfilled by TikTok. It should be seller shipping. If you use any of the other options, TikTok doesn't actually give you the customer's address. So you need seller shipping because you need the address. So that way Amazon knows automatically who to ship it to. Now, this is phenomenal and it's worked extremely well. So I do highly recommend to check out Map My Channel. And if you wanted a more in-depth guide on how to do this or how to start making sales on TikTok, just go to our website in the description. We do have a course on how our clients made over $1 million using TikTok. Right. And I also give a breakdown step by step on how to set up the connection between Amazon, a more in-depth step by step. So this is completely up to you, right? It just took me a lot of time. That's why it's an actual course and it's not something crazy, but feel free to check it out if you're interested. And that's it for today's video. If you enjoyed this video, please do drop a like. And if you're an Amazon or TikTok seller, I highly recommend subscribing to our channel because we're giving away great content that's going to help you in your seller journey. And if you need help with anything like connecting your Amazon to your TikTok, Amazon sales, TikTok sales, the link is right in the description to contact us or schedule a call. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of EHB Consulting Group, signing out.